for this game, you're going to need your 2 pages of the dice cards, and you're going to want to cut out all of the squares. You don't need the blank squares. You only need to cut out the squares that have the dice on them. Once you get them cut out, you're going to put them in a pile, and you're going to mix them up, maybe without looking. They're a little bit see-through, and that's okay. You're going to flip them upside down in between you and a partner, and then you're going to take turns, but you're both going to draw the top card, okay? And then you're going to say, oh, which one is less? Which one is more? Or are they the same? Okay, these ones happen to be the same. I probably didn't mix them up the best. If you are right on to which one is right or greater than or equal, you get to keep those. Okay? And then you'll take turns. I'm going to show you one that's not the same, okay? All right. So say this was my card, and this one is me. So is my partner's card greater than or less than mine? My partner's card is greater than. They have 5 and I only have 2. So if I said my partner's card is greater than, then I would get to keep them. If I said that my partner's card was less than, then I don't get to keep them. Okay? You get to keep them if you compare the numbers correctly. But we want to know, is your number bigger or smaller or equal to your partner's number?